published 1757 EDT to October 2017 updated 1757 EDT to October 2017. The euro sank, and stock prices in Madrid fell Monday as voting in a banned Catalonia independence referendum was marked by violence. Global stocks mostly rose Monday following strong economic data, with U.S. indices notching fresh records, while the euro slid following the police crackdown on the banned Catalonia independence referendum. Data showed Eurozone unemployment held steady at an 8-year low in August, while manufacturing reports in both the US and Japan came in at multi-year peaks. Evidence continues to mount that the damage inflicted on the national economy by Hurricanes Harvey and Irma will be very modest, Ian Shepherdson, chief economist at Pantheon Macroeconomics, said after the Institute for Supply Management Purchasing Managers Index for U.S. manufacturing hit a 13-year high. The big picture, Shepherdson added, is one of broad, sustained strength. Analysts were bullish about third-quarter U.S. earnings season, which kicks off in earnest in about 10 days. Companies in the S&P 500 are projected to report a 5% year-over-year gain in operating earnings per share EPS, according to CFRA research. All three U.S. indices ended at records, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining 0.7% to 22,557.60. Analysts said sentiment was not affected by the mass shooting at a Las Vegas hotel that resulted in at least 58 fatalities. However, MGM Resorts, which owns the hotel, fell 5.6%. Equity markets in London, Paris, Frankfurt, and Tokyo all gained. Chaos in Catalonia, but Spain's IBEX index fell 1.2%, and the euro dropped against the dollar following the upheaval in the country. Traders are clearly a little concerned about the impact of the Catalan vote, not to mention how the situation was handled by the Spanish authorities, said Onda analyst Craig Earlham. Spain will do everything within the law to prevent Catalonia from declaring independence, Justice Minister Rafael Catala said Monday, a day after Catalonia's regional government declared victory in a banned secession referendum. The chaos in Catalonia yesterday on the back of the referendum on independence has sent the Spanish stock market lower, said CMC Markets analyst David Madden. Violent clashes between the police and voters has spooked investors, and money is flowing out of the country on account of it. Thanks to the heavy-handed response from Madrid, the Catalonian question has now become even more divisive. Joe Menimbo, senior market analyst, said uncertainty in Spain along with questions about German governance following last week's mixed election outcome for Chancellor Angela Merkel raised questions about whether the European Central Bank would move ahead with plans to taper monetary stimulus. A pause on that plan, if realized, would leave the euro, the year's best-performing major currency, vulnerable to further losses over the short run, Menimbo said. Key figures around 2100 GMT. New York Dow up 0.7% at 22,557.60 close. New York S&P 500 up 0.4% at 2,529.12 close. New York Nasdaq up 0.3% at 6,516.72 close. London FTSE 100 up 0.9% at 7,438.84 close. Frankfurt DAX 30 up 0.6% at 12,902.65 close. Paris CAC 40 up 0.4% at 5,350.44 close. Madrid IBEX 35 down 1.2% at 10,255.70 close. Euro Stoxx 50 up 0.2% at 3,602.69 close. Tokyo Nikkei 225 up 0.2% at 20,400.78 close. Euro dollar down at $1.1733 from $1.1818 late Friday. Dollar yen up at 112.71 yen from 112.52 yen. Pound dollar down at $1.3277 from $1.3398 oil. Brent North Sea down 67 cents at $56.12 per barrel. Oil West Texas Intermediate down $1.09 at $50.58 per barrel. Sorry, we are not currently accepting comments on this article.